Hi, I wanted to show you guys a dashboard that I designed for the Traxxas TRX4 10th scale crawlers. It's 3D printed and the files for it are available on Thingiverse. So if you're into 3D printing, you can download them there. It has 3 inserts for the dash, one for the tachometer display, one for the center console, and one for the glove box, and you can pop those in and out and put in these digital display screens that are available on eBay. There's a functional tachometer display, digital navigation display for the center console, and a telemetry screensaver display for the glove box area. And it also has functional steering wheel. There's linkage on the back side of the steering wheel that you can connect to a servo. And it also connects to the body of the crawler by using the rock crawler light kit screws that go into the wheel well there, so you can use the screw for that light kit to attach the dashboard to those wheel wells, and then it has adjustable height and tilt to it, so it should fit into most of the Traxxas bodies. Yeah, I'll put links to the Thingiverse file and the eBay files down in the comments, so hope you guys like it. Happy holidays. Cool. Take it easy.